What is the best way to turn off or disable Windows Defender on your Windows 10 or Windows 11? Hello everyone, and let's discuss on this topic. So the very first option or the temporary option by which you can turn off or disable Windows Defender is through the settings option. For that, click on the search bar and search for virus and threat protection. Click on it and it will open the setting options for virus and threat protection. Under its settings, click on Manage Settings. Here are two options that you need to turn off. It is Real-Time Protection and then Cloud Delivered Protection. However, this will only disable the Windows Defender temporarily. So once this is done, let's move to the second method by which you can turn off or disable Windows Defender. So for that, you have to open Registry Editor. Once you open the Registry Editor, go under the folder HKey Local Machine. Under it, search for Software and then into Policies. Under Policies, go for Microsoft and then search for Windows Defender. Now right click on the folder and click on New. Now choose the dword 32-bit value and then name the file as Disable Anti-Spyware. Once you have created the file, right click on it and change the value to 1. So these are the best ways by which you can turn off or disable Windows Defender. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.